Good morning everyone from Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. Today I'm going to Epcot and cannot wait to go see Flower and Garden Festival, ride all the really amazing rides, and try all the really good foods. We're actually going to take a bus to Disney's Hollywood Studios and ride the Skyliner over to the Riviera to eat breakfast there, just to switch it up a little bit, take some cool pictures, and then from there go to Epcot. Epcot doesn't open until 10. It's about 8:30 right now. We might arrive there just a little bit after opening, but this is the park that's open the latest, which is really weird. It's open till 11 tonight, so we have plenty of time. We have a dinner reservation as well, so definitely going to be trying and tasting lots of good foods today. Flower and Garden Festival runs until July 5th, so some of these items may not be available whenever you come, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. Refilled the cup, on our way. We have not ridden a Disney bus in the morning. We've always gotten this kind.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
There were some Skyliner issues, so we just resorted to Art of Animation. I got the cute character waffles. It's Flo. And I believe Simba's the other one. Bacon, apples. These looks a lot better than the waffles that I had yesterday, so that's really exciting. Got my drinks and everything. We're gonna eat real quick and then head over to Epcot. It has returned. It is so much bigger in person. Oh my goodness. Stunning. I can't wait to see that lit up at night. So as I said just a second ago, we arrived at Epcot. It's 10:30 and nothing's open till 11. There's this huge line outside the seas over here. Like they're not allowing them to go any further or something like that. So we are just up here by all of the walls near Spaceship Earth. So anyway, while we wait, as I mentioned or showed, I picked up the festival guide, but all the food looks so good. There's a lot to do today, so it's gonna be, ooh, it's gonna be good. All right, it is currently 10:37. Okay, so I just want to explain kind of what just happened, because I know a lot has been jumping around the first 2 minutes of this video. If you don't want to hear the explanation or the little bit of tips about what we did and what went wrong, you can skip to this time right here and keep watching the vlog portion of this video. But if you guys missed the travel vlog, in that video we were trying to ride the Skyliner because my friend had never ridden it, but it was storming really bad, so they were not running the Skyliner. So we figured, let's ride the Skyliner before Epcot. It would take us right to International Gateway, which is like the back entrance to Epcot. It'd be perfectly fine. So we went from our hotel, got on the bus to Hollywood Studios because there's a Skyliner station there. We rode the Skyliner to the main station, and we were gonna get in line for the Epcot line of the Skyliner, which also takes you to the Riviera. We were gonna eat breakfast there and take some cool pictures, but they wouldn't let us in line for the Riviera because we did not have a reservation to eat there. So they were not running the Epcot line until like 10 o'clock, closer to park opening, so we couldn't go. We didn't really want to wait in that long line because we hadn't eaten breakfast yet. So we got on a different line over to Art of Animation. You guys saw we ate there real quick, and then we just took the bus to Epcot from there. Entering the park, everyone was going to the top 3 rides of the park: Frozen Ever After, Test Track, and Soarin. There were some kind of weird lines and groups forming, but then just a few minutes after I filmed that last clip, we were able to get into the Land Pavilion at 10:37. So again, the park opens officially at 11, but we were able to get in that much sooner, and you're able to get some like good pictures and stuff, and then start getting in line for your ride. Now, one thing I just wanted to note is that we were on the ride like when the park officially opened, and this happened with a few other park days as well. I'm not sure if you can still do it or if it's still happening this way because of COVID and everything, but it might be, so just know you can probably get into the park a little bit sooner or even ride something before it officially opens. Again, that could change whenever you go, but that's what happened to us. So I just wanted to explain that. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video.
Hello and welcome to Soarin. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts and
imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc! Imagination is a blast! Imagination, imagination. A dream can be a dream come true. With just that spark from me and you.
Hello, friend. Hello there.
Look, there's a lizard. He letting them take pictures of.
Well, right past the lizard. Harmonious barges. Okay, the pictures and stuff make them look like a lot. They are, but like in person, they're a little smaller than I thought. So like that's good. There's people working on them, doing things, because they announced to bring back fireworks in July, which is super exciting. They're very distracting. I do wish they would bring them out like floats, like how they do for other shows and things, like how they did in their previous show and all of that. But hey, I can't wait to see the show though. I think it'll be really cool. Let me know what you guys think. I also wanted to give a shout out to, I believe, Jonathan and his wife. Thank you so much for saying hello. Greatly appreciated it. It was so nice to meet you. No way. The festival center is open. I have never been to Epcot with the festival center open. Never been here. This is normally where some like the pin events are and all the things, but I cannot wait to go inside. Oh boy. Oh, it's so pretty. There's chandeliers. That's fancy. Oh, this is so big. A lot of the booths are in here also. Wow. There's little like photo spots and everything. Whoa. Check this out. Off into the countries, we just passed Canada on to the next United Kingdom. We're looking at some of the merchandise and I noticed they have this really cool purse. Which looks like the telephone booth, which is so cool looking. How much is it? It is $39.99. Not like super practical, but you could fit your phone and like wallet and things in there. They also have lots of the classic little shortbread rounds, looking adorable. The newest pair of ears is this Winnie the Pooh set. Has a little bee on it and everything, and says today is my favorite day, which is so cute. $29.99. Here in the Germany pavilion, they have a miniature garden, and they're like all these little gardens on little like stumps and things. But what's really cool is like this one back here is Snow White back there. Isn't that cute? Little Snow White in her little house, and all the other little houses. Thank you. Alright, I've gotten the festival favorite, the Frushi. It is cantaloupe, strawberry, pineapple, and sweet rice, and some kind of wrap. I got it without the toasted coconut on it, and then it has whipped cream and like the strawberry drizzle. Everyone says to get this, everyone loves this, so I'm very interested to try it. I hope that I like it. It sounds interesting. Oh, it's very gummy. Almost like jello-like consistency. The wrap is really sweet. I really like that. And the strawberry little drizzle helps a lot with the flavor. It doesn't really taste like anything. I think that I would might get this again one day. It is like a real texture thing. So if weird gummy textures isn't your thing, I probably wouldn't recommend this. It is very much like that. Let me know in the comments if you have had Frushi and what you think of it. I wouldn't say it's my favorite thing ever, but I think this is the first festival item I've ever had, and it's pretty good. I also want to give a shout out and thank you to the person who said hello to me in the China Pavilion. I'm sorry I did not catch your name, but it was so nice to meet you.
Caballeros, desean por la we're coffee amigos, no matter where he goes, they want to and three goes, we're always together.
Now with the sunshine griddle right across from Test Track, I'm gonna try the Froot Loop shake. Sounds really good. Just want to do the little taste. It is yellow this time. It used to be blue. Here, Test Track going. Looks kind of interesting. It smells exactly like Froot Loops, and it is literally drinking Froot Loops. It has the soft texture of melted Froot Loops. Crazy. If you love Froot Loops, you're gonna love this.
Here comes the final test.
Beautiful Epcot, the new fountain, everything looks fantastic. I can't wait to see the future of Epcot. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for Magic Kingdom video up next, and remember to do what you love and do what makes you happy, and I will see you all next time. Bye.